स्लीपी क्लासेस के सारे सब्जेक्ट
मुझे पता चला था कि स्लीपी क्लासेस
Sleepy classes.
स्लीपी क्लासेस
Sleepy classes.
स्लीपी क्लासेस
स्लीपी क्लासेस
Sleepy classes.
स्लीपी क्लासेस
मेरा स्लीपी के साथ इंटरेक्शन हुआ
स्लीपी क्लासेस
स्लीपी क्लासेस
आई कंप्लीटली रिलाइड ऑन योर चैनल
स्लीपी की वीडियोस भी देखी है।
स्लीपी क्लासेस
Sleepy classes is one of those मतलब institutions जहाँ पे सभी टीचर अच्छे हैं.
Hello everybody, my name is Benjo P. Jose. I have secured All India Rank 59 in UPSC Civil Service Examinations 2023 और DKT के इस माध्यम से मैं आपके साथ एक नोट्स मेकिंग स्ट्रेटजी या नोट्स के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ. Actually this is not a notes making strategy but it is rather how to make other people's notes useful for you. So इसके पहले मैं अपने बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन बताता हूँ. ये मेरा चौथा अटेम्प्ट, माय फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट और मेरा सेकंड मेंस और सेकंड इंटरव्यू भी था. तो मैंने अपने प्रिपरेशन में क्या किया है कि आई हैव ट्राई टू मेक यूज ऑफ अदर पीपल्स नोट्स. सो I have in another video of DKT told about my resource list for prelims. So mostly all of the resources I have studied and I have known the concepts और जो मुझे memorize करना था वो भी मैंने किया था. But now just before the exam reading through all the textbook is not possible. तो इसके लिए आपको notes बन चाहिए. तो the importance of notes or the objective of notes is that a 100-page book or a 600-page book could be reduced to 10 pages. So this is the only intention of notes. Notes will not help you clear an exam per se, but notes will make your job easier. वो आपके जो काम है वो थोड़ा आसान कर देता है और जो रिवीजन है वो आपको उसमें भी आपको ज़्यादा हेल्प notes can give you a little bit more help there. So this is the objective of notes in UPSC exam. अभी क्या है कि when I tried to make notes initially, I took a lot of time to make notes and my notes were not good also. It was only later on that I realized कि I don't have to copy everything that somebody has said in a textbook. और मेरा पहले जो notes था वो बहुत I tried initially to make notes और बहुत लंबे थे and a lot of unnecessary information also I would try to write. So this is when I realized that I need a different strategy to make notes. Then I switched on to a novel strategy which was to not write down anything from the textbook but to just write questions. So for example, if there is a portion on monsoon in the geography, then I would just write the questions of monsoon, ki what is southwest monsoon, where does it come from. So I would maybe just make 10 questions in a page, write 10 questions, and whenever I come back to revise I will just try to recall these questions on the geography part, on the monsoon part in geography. So this is the second sort of thing that I try to make, which is just writing down recall questions, and I try to do that for modern as well. But then I realized that this is also a very difficult strategy because sometimes I do in my notes itself just before prelims, if I just take these notes, these questions, and I try to recall a question, and if the answer does not come to me, then I would feel bad or maybe I would feel stressed. So just before prelims, it is important for me to read content itself, but then not content from a 600-page book or a 500-page book. And so this is where I came to the third thing, which was to make the short notes. And what I realized at this time was now I did not have time, nor did I have the interest to make things short. And this was because somebody has already done it before me and I just had to make use of it. So this is where I use other people's notes and mostly by other toppers who had cleared the exam. So if we talk about prelims, then for polity as well as modern, I refer to Mandar Patki sir's notes. Mandar Patki sir is a topper from the 2019 CSE exam. So he has made extensive notes and a lot of tables, a lot of mnemonics in his notes for polity as well as for modern. So I refer to that. And so I would read the Lakshmikant, I would read the textbook, but then to revise sir has made the entire Lakshmikant ka textbook into 25 to 50 pages of notes. To revise, I would not go back to the Lakshmikant, I would just read sir's notes. So this is how I used Lakshmikant at the one hand for my conceptual clarity and sir's notes for revision. So this I did for modern as well. Now for some other parts of the prelim such as environment, I just read directly from the book itself, from the PMF IAS environment book. I had referred to that book, and so uske liye I did not make much extensive notes. I read for revision also, I read just the book, but then environment, because it has a lot of concepts, I did not have to revise a lot for environment. When we understand the concepts, we understand it, then a lot of revisions for environment or other portions like economy is not important. It is only in fact heavy subjects like polity or modern that I required a lot of revisions, and those revisions I used, for those revisions I used these topper notes. Now in some areas like environment, I made my own notes also, such as some areas like national parks, I try to make a table for all the national parks. In some areas like legislation, so for national legislations like the Water Act or the Environment Protection Act or the National Green Tribunal, the NGT Act, so or the Biodiversity Act. So for different acts and legislations like this, I tried to make my own notes, which was very short form of whatever content was there in the PMF IAS book or from whatever research I used to get. So I am not saying that I only relied on toppers notes. I used their notes, but whenever I felt the need to make my own short notes, I made them, but for only certain parts, for only certain chapters or units of the content in these textbooks. Now some other notes also, what I used was in mains. So for prelims I mainly relied on Mandar Patki sir's notes, and those notes are still available there free, and they are available in his Telegram channel. You can go there and see those and notes and check out for yourself. And these are static notes, so it does not have to be updated every now and then. Whatever updates you find, you can add to the notes yourself. लेकिन वो notes है जैसे है वैसे ही है, अभी भी वो टेलीग्राम चैनल में अवेलेबल है. आप लोग जाके वो you can search his channel and you will find those notes there.
उधर स्लीपी की वीडियोस भी देखी हैं.
स्लीपी क्लासेस के जो आपने फ्री लेक्चर्स डाल रखे हैं यूट्यूब पर, राइट, उनको लाइक काउंटलेस टाइम्स देखा है.
CP classes is one of those मतलब इंस्टीट्यूशन जहाँ पे सभी टीचर अच्छे हैं.
CP classes has been the part of the journey from the very starting.
I used to follow that 1 minute series plus the daily 5 questions that you post.
सर आपके सारे वीडियोस मैंने 5-6 बार तो देखे ही.
Now for mains, what I did is again I used other people's notes. For GS paper of mains, for some areas like disaster management, there is another topper called Mrudul Shivhare, and sir has made extensive notes on disaster management. And some areas in GS2 such as governance part, SHG, NGO, sir has made amazing notes for that as well. In fact, the entire GS2 for the polity and governance part, sir has made extensive notes, so you could refer to those notes as well. I refer to sir's notes for disaster management as well as areas in governance in GS2. Now in GS2 I refer to one of my friend's notes also for IR. So he had made some notes on all the different countries and different regions, and so he was kind enough to share them with me. So I took his notes and I read some of them, and before the exam also we used to discuss, we used to talk on these notes itself. He used to tell me ki, okay, this is what this is, and this is the relation between countries. So those sort of discussions also helped. And so here again I did not make my own notes, but I made use of somebody else's notes. I did the same for internal security also. Same friend, his notes I had used for internal security also. Now this was mainly for GS. Now for Anthro, which was my optional, I had referred to multiple toppers notes. So in fact in Anthro I could say that I had not read any of the basic books that people usually tell, such as socio-cultural anthropology by a particular author, or Indian tribal anthropology or Indian anthropology by Nadeem Hasnain. I had not read any of these books. Even though I read all the basic books for prelims, as far as my optional was concerned, my main go-to source were different topper notes. So I had read Akshat Jain sir's book. I had read Narayana Misra's notes. I had read multiple other people's notes as well. Bhuvanesh Patil sir's notes, Mandar Patki sir's notes, Apala Mishra's notes. I had also read two Vivek Bhasme sir's book, which is also a handwritten note, and multiple other people, Koi Harshasri sir's test copies. And so a lot of these toppers ka notes and content I had referred to for my anthropology, and my preparation for anthropology was mainly to build upon these notes that these toppers already had. And then I made my own notes. I made my own detailed notes for anthropology. I was not just relying on these topper notes like I relied on Mandar Patki sir's notes for prelims, but from these topper notes of anthro I made my own notes, extra notes for anthropology. So this is how I made use of topper notes for anthropology as well. So now I'll tell you why I found making use of topper notes and other people's notes very relevant and important. Because number one, it cuts down on the time, because most of the times to understand certain parts we take maybe 50 minutes, and then to make a note of it we might take 1.5 hours, because to cut it short and not write everything, and then some people have a perfectionistic tendency and then they will color it or maybe make one diagram and maybe make some lines and be very crisp and neat when making notes. All of these are good things, but then it will take a lot of time. And so this is why maybe shifting to somebody else's notes will save a lot of time, because they have already done all of this hard work for you. Now the second part is these people who have already made notes, they know what is important and what is not. So when we try to make notes as a beginner, as a newbie, हम क्या करते हैं कि often times we give importance to less priority areas, उसके ऊपर भी हम notes बनाते जाते हैं. तो a person who has made notes and who has published these notes in their channels or as a book, they would have went on through these notes multiple times. And जो less priority area है, उसमें whatever notes they made, maybe they would have redacted those notes. So only the important areas would they make notes, and this is important for us as well. As aspirants, as candidates, we must focus only on certain areas which are more important. So वो priority areas we'll get to know when we read these topper notes. ठीक है? Or when we talk about other people's notes, there is a caveat that I want to share, which is that we cannot use another person's note without making those notes ourselves first. तो इसमें मैं क्या बात करना चाहता हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि मंदार पटकी सर है और उनके नोट्स है, तो क्या होता है कि when I read his notes, initially I will not understand what he has read also, what he has done, what he has written in the notes. But now I will read the Lakshmikant, then I will go back to his notes, make sense of what he has written, and then I would read the notes again, revise the notes again multiple times, then only will those notes be handy for me. So the intention of notes is to make those notes handy for me. So if I just take a topper note and I just read it once or twice, maybe I will not understand, maybe I will not be able to revise it also. So it is important that you go through these notes multiple times, make those notes handy, then only will you be able to reap maximum benefit out of these topper notes. So this was the caveat or the caution, word of caution that I would want to tell when you make use of topper notes. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys about making use of other people's notes. So if you have less time, then depend upon somebody else's note. There are a lot of toppers and they have all shared their notes on Telegram channels or as books. Refer to them to cut down on your time and save your effort. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys about notes. Thank you DKT again for giving me this opportunity to talk about notes making. Thank you.